Introducing Silent Step Ultra, the ultimate flooring underlayment offering superior sound and moisture protection for laminate and floating hardwood floors. Featuring an attached polyethylene moisture barrier with easy-to-use peel and stick tape for seam overlap protection, it ensures effortless installation and peace of mind. Crafted from high-density, 100% closed-cell polyethylene foam core, Silent Step Ultra guarantees stability, preventing deterioration or crumbling under flooring. With an impressive IIC 72 rating and STC 72 rating, it provides exceptional sound reduction for a serene environment. Radiant Heat approved and extending Shaw residential warranty by 10 years, Silent Step Ultra offers unmatched durability and reliability. Elevate your space with Silent Step Ultra, where performance, protection, and peace of mind converge to redefine your flooring experience.